There are a lot of people making money online by reading books. I mean, they get paid by reading books and reviewing it. This particular one I want to share with you today in this video is real legit and it takes some process. But if they approve you, oh, you have got yourself another source of income because you're going to be getting paid anytime you read books and review it. And I'm going to show you how you can be able to use AI, ChatGPT to review this book, and it will not look like you actually used ChatGPT because when you submit your work to them, they are going to review it, and they have an application that helps them discover that this particular review was done by AI, and so your work they won't approve it. But I will show you practical way how you can use ChatGPT that at the end of the day, they will not even discover that you use ChatGPT to make your review. So if you are a book lover and you love to actually review books online, watch this video to the end because this particular one is real legit. May I remind you that the company is based in the US, and so for that reason, it's authentic. And that's why they take their time to review people's application before they approve it. And once they approve you, you have got yourself a source of income. So let's go down to the website. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn your notification. This particular website for earning money by reading books and reviewing them is legit and real, and so it takes some process for them to accept you. Okay, as you can see that you need to fill a form. It's not just like an app that you download from Play Store and then you're not even sure if they're going to pay you. This one, you're going to fill a form, and once you fill the form and they approve you, you are sure of getting paid by reading books and reviewing them. My aim here is to walk you through how you can fill the form the right way so that once you submit it, they will be able to approve it for you. Okay, so it's important that you read this thing first. Take your time to read it first. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the comment section so that you can easily access it and fill the form. Okay, but I'm just going to point out some things that are very important in filling out the form. Now, those are the ones that are written in red color, right? Now, you're going to see that they are asking you for book samples that you have done before. If you have read a book before and you have reviewed it before, then they want you to put it here so you can see some of our reviews and articles here. You can take an example here. If you click on here, it's going to open up and then it will show you some of the reviews that people have done so that when you are submitting your own, it will not be different, completely different from what they have on their website. You're going to see this one. Now, this is a book review, right? Written by someone. Okay, you're going to see this is a book review by someone. So this is an example of what they are looking for. Now, keep watching. I'm going to show you how to make it much easier for you. Okay, let's go back. Now, you're going to see that they need it to be at least 300 words. From what we saw here, we saw that this review is more than 300 words, okay? It's more than 300 words. And by the way, if they accept you, these are some of the books that you're going to be reading. And then once you read them, you review them and you get paid, okay? But let's go back. So you need at least 300 words. And then another important thing here is that you will not plagiarize other people's work and you will not submit reviews that are made by AI and ChatGPT. In doing so, you are simply wasting your time and hours. So this is a big one here. This is a big one. But there is a way to go around it. There is a way. So keep watching. I will show you how to go around it towards the end of this video. Keep watching. You can still use AI and ChatGPT to review your book so that you can minimize time wasting, okay, and then increase the speed. And at the same time, they will not be able to know that this was done by ChatGPT or AI. Okay. Now, about our review beyond the book articles, okay, these are some of other things you can take your time to read it. Now, another thing also is, can I review for can I review for Book Browse? By the way, the name of this platform is Book Browse. Okay, if I am not based in the US, most of our reviewers are based in US based as is Book Browse, but we are open to reviewers overseas. However, because we work extremely with American publisher, it's rare that the publisher can send print copies to addresses outside of the USA. So if you live elsewhere, only apply if you have the ability to read books and are comfortable doing so. So that is a caveat here. You can apply outside the US, but you must be able to read books and then be able to review them. Okay. Now, remember I said that towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to work with ChatGPT and still not be discover that you use ChatGPT. Okay, but let's fill the form here. This is the form, so take your time to fill it. Take your time to fill this form. Okay, take your time to fill all of this form, and then once you're done filling the form, you can be able to click to submit it here. Okay, now submit it here. So let me show you how you can be able to review a book by using ChatGPT, and will not be discovered that you actually use ChatGPT to review the book after you read it. Now, the first step is that you want to make sure that you read the book at least to some extent, so that you can grab some of the ideas presented by the book. Okay, before you can take it down to ChatGPT, you need to. Okay, then after that, go to ChatGPT. So when you come to ChatGPT, you just all you need to do is just you put the name of the book here. All right. So I'm going to just put let's say for example, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay. Let's see. Now, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to review this book as if it's human, right? Not like an AI. That's the first step. Remember, these are steps that you need to follow. That's the second step, rather. After you read the book, make sure that at least you read the book to some extent and get the general idea the book is presenting. And then afterwards, you will come to ChatGPT and tell it, review this book. Okay, review this book for me as if you are human. You are human reviewing it. Okay, that's the prompt we are going to be giving ChatGPT, so that because when it comes to using this ChatGPT and other AI, this thing, your prompt matters a lot. Excuse me. I'm making a mistake here. Your prompt is actually what it's actually the kind of result you're going to be getting. If you don't have a good prompt, you're not going to get a good result. So review this book for me as if you are reviewing it as human being. Okay, is it as a human being? I don't know. Okay, human being. Okay, I want to submit it to get paid. I want to submit it to get paid. All right, and they don't want AI reviews. All right, so now this is the prompt I'm going to give ChatGPT. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to come up here. Now ChatGPT is going to give me a book review of this Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'm just using Rich Dad Poor Dad as an example. Okay, now you're going to see this is okay. Let me wait for ChatGPT to finish up with the review. And by the way, if you are gaining any value from this book, please hit the thumbs up button. Okay, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel as well. Okay, so this is the review that ChatGPT gave to me. Now, I am not just going to copy this and paste it in that website if they approve me. No, I'm not going to do that. If I do this, I'm just wasting my time, because they already know that this is from AI. So what I'm going to do, which is the third step here, is to copy this review, and then I will edit it myself. Okay, I will edit it myself. So I'll come down to my Google Doc, and then I'll click on this plus icon here. I'll click on new doc files, and then it's going to open up. So I will paste this thing here. I will paste the review that ChatGPT gave me. This is the review here. Now, what I need to do is to start editing this thing myself. At least, even if I don't edit everything, I should edit at least 70% of it. Editing, I mean, you can replace some words, you can replace some things. Okay, this is to make it bit different from what ChatGPT actually gave, right? So in this case, I can say book review, Okay, my book review. I can say my review. Okay, say my review on on okay, so I can say on Rich Dad Poor Dad by written by written by Robert Kiyosaki. So I'm trying to just make it different from what ChatGPT is giving me. right? Because if I don't make it different, they can simply just copy this and paste it out on ChatGPT. There are also applications that help them discover that a review was done by AI. Okay, so now I start with the first paragraph and just like that. Okay, so that means it's going to take you time. It's going to take you time to review this. So in a day you can review one book in a day. So in 7 days you can review seven books. Okay. So for me, if I have read this particular one, this particular book, it will not take me more than highest. It won't take me more than 1 hour to review this to actually change this particular review to something else. Okay, different from what ChatGPT gave me. And then when I'm done, I can simply just copy it and then go and submit it. So that's simply how you are going to use ChatGPT to make it easier for you. Okay. Yeah. So guys, thanks so much. I just wanted to share with you. This one is legit, and so it's going to take you some process and time. And once they accept you, congratulations. You can follow these steps, and you can start earning money by reviewing books and reading them as well.